Now these are some of the ceramic plates that Victorinox produces. Very high quality ceramics. They stay sharp for a very long time, maybe sharpen them once every year. But also the other benefits, non-corrosive, and for flavors which you transfer usually with metal, these ones don't have that issue. So you can go from one thing to another one. And have a look at the action here. Super sharp. Tomatoes. If you want to chop onions, have a look at this. You can go very fine, very precise, super sharp. And then when you look at lettuce, you might want to go for a slightly larger blade like this one here. For your shredded lettuce for your sandwich, ideal. Beautiful result and super sharp. Please do avoid bones and other hard things, but they go through absolutely anything. Really great blades.